1 Hour English School.
Learn English as a skill. The apostrophe. The apostrophe is used to show ownership. Rana's father has come. Mother's office. Rules for apostrophe. 1. The apostrophe is used to show the omission of a letter or letters, as don't ever arrive. 2. To form plural of letters and figures, apostrophe is used, as dot your I's and cut your T's. You need to write 2 T's in the word written. 3. If the plural noun doesn't end in S, add an apostrophe and S. For example, the women's freedom, the bacteria's, the committee's decision. 4. If the plural ends in S, just add an apostrophe. The baby's wears, the politician's promise. 5. If the word is a proper noun that ends in S, add an apostrophe and an S. Yeats's poem, Ross's riddle, Chris's crisis. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe 1 Hour English School. Like, comment, and share.